for a surprise bridal shower for Luisa.
Kay Luisa Marie.
Pero I can't post this yet because makikita niya agad. Later na pagdating niya, ang sarap ng food. Look.
Let's go! Ready ng aming Moscato, guys. Are you ready?
Ay, hindi pala private po.
Okay, o yan. First gift.
Sure, ako na bahala.
Pinabas mo, ma'am.
Oo, first guess. Okay, back to the hotel and say hello to the bride-to-be. Okay, let's check out their room. Have you nested, guys? Yeah. Okay, so they got the family rooms. They have 2 bedrooms over there. Oh, look, didn't know. Baby Chase, where's your room? Can you show it to me?
Look into my room.
Okay! Yay! Wow! Are you going to sleep here with Ate Lauren?
We put our beds together.
I know, right? It's much better. Can you go up by yourself? Ah, you know the technique already. Very good, Baby Chase. You're the smartest baby. I love you, pretty. Okay, and then this is Mommy's and Daddy's bedroom. Ah, nice. There's a big fan. Why? It's already so cold in here.
Huh? It's cold here.
I know. Is there a view?
Yeah. There is a view there.
Oh. Okie dokie, so I finally nested. Yay! So this is the living area. Ang laki. Malaki naman siya. This is not a 5-star hotel, but this is the only hotel here na malapit sa church and also sa reception ng wedding ng kapatid ko. Not bad. Not bad for the price and the location also. Yan. So you have the basics. May TV naman and then merong rack here for your stuff. So I'm wearing that one, Blahnik, for the wedding itself. And then kapag napagod na, I have the lower heels. And then that one, my Chanel slippers for the photo. My bags over here, more bags. Yeah. And then this is the door going to the bedroom. See you later. Hey, that's my brother. Hi, Kuya. Are you excited? Yeah, let's go. We'll have our dinner now. We are here now at Pepetos. Here's my brother and my sister-in-law. Wow!
Glitter everything.
The bride-to-be is wearing a pink, floral, sexy high slit and a glittery purple handbag. Oh, and the slip-ons. Ta-da! And my kuya is wearing the normal. Ayan, dito na ang Castillo clan. Waiting for Daddy Jerson. Yay!
This is Tita Shoni, panganay nila Mama. Magkapatid sila.
Hello po!
Tapos, mga apo niya taong dalawa. Si Ate Min at si Ate Mika.
Hi! Welcome to the vlog! Char.
Tapos, ang kuya kong panganay, ang maghahatid sa akin, si Kuya Toto.
Hi po! Ilan taon na po kayo? Chara!
Tapos, si Kuya Louie, ang madalas sa apartment kasi nasa Pasay lang siya nakatira. And si Kuya Boycie, at isang anak niya na si Kuya Mix. Nandyan sa harap.
Hi!
Tapos ako na yung bunso. Sino pinaka-top? Sa aming ako. Siyempre yung kuya.
My brother's turn na! Galingan mo yung kuya.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa ating pag-video. Pakilala ko lang sa aking pag-video. Wala pa yung tatay ko, so unahin ko sa aming bunsong kapatid. Uy!
Hey! Walang wait!
Mahilig sa Korean barbecue at sa Korean K-pop.
Yeah!
Ang aking panganay. Pero hindi niya favorite yan.
Oo nga.
Kulay pink
Pink
ang
ako,
favorite
pink.
niyan. At ang
Hinayaan kita mag-pink.
Chase. Ang talo. Ilan taon naman? Senior.
Ay, pareho kayo na.
Discounted na sa...
So kuya, nung first time mong binisit si Wiza kasama yung tatlong kuya niya, ano nangyari? Nagwagi ka ba agad o hindi?
Feeling ko naman nagustuhan nila ako agad.
Balyado sila.
Pucha!
Hindi, sabihin, iabot ko to. Hindi mo ba ito?
Maraming choir, ilan? 4? 5? 6 na choir na ba? Ang alam ko, 4 lang. Tapos siya,
Yay, my daddy is here. I'm so happy.
Tabawa ko bukas.
Alam mo, di ba? Nandito dahil. Galing ko sa trabaho.
That's it. We're done for that meeting. Good night, everybody. Good night, baby Chase. I love you. Good morning. Today, everybody, I'm going to the Prantina to have my hair and makeup done. But first, I'll go to my parents' room. So, good morning. Good morning, Mother. Dad. Morning. Good morning, Shay. How's your sleep? Okay.
This is still sleep.
Oo nga eh. It's fine. Okay, we're going to prepare na rin, ha? So later, ikabas natin, prepare ka na rin. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, love you.
I'm just gonna wait for the food.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yay! Wedding day!
Mag-room squad.
Yeah! So, are you excited?
Sakto lang. Sakto lang naman.
This is room squad. Sila pala yung Belano?
Siya yun.
Ay!
Yung vocalist namin to eh.
Yung Belano.
Vocalist namin. Siya talaga yun. Siya yung Belano totoo.
Parang kayo kapamilya siya. Namit ko na ba siya? Parang
Hindi kasi,
familiar.
nalasing to, inuwi ko sa bahay. Tapos, kasabay niya nag-breakfast sa airpot, sabang ako nasa school na.
Parang familiar. Wow. Thank you guys for being here. They're so pretty again. Oh my God. Are you excited? Love you, Papa. Mwah. Yes, my brother getting groomed by MJ Medalla. And my mom over there waiting. Hi, Mommy!
Nakita ko namin yung MJ.
Ang pogi ng kapatid ko, guys. Yes! Ay, ang ganda. Sister-in-law ko, oh. Thank you, ah. Thank
Thank you for my makeup and my hair.
Ano ka, madam?
No!
Diba? Okay, the rest of the prize squadron. Meron akong tangang ginawa, guys. Ito mo, ginawa kong nasa harap yung lace. So pala, ganito pala dapat! Okay. I'm ready! Photoshoot time! Are you also ready? Yes! Yeah! Hello to the bride squad.
With the brass.
So may paano ko, Origin? Pa-break.
Hi! Say hi! So can you say, congratulations, Ninong and Ninang?
Hindi pa siya tapos sa akin.
We're almost done!
Yes. Second do.
I saw a cute guy here at the lobby. Kausapin ko lang, wait. Hi! You're so pokey.
Ay, doon maaari mo lang halikan ang iyong kasama.
Pwede ka na ba dyan?
Uy, 24 na ako. Ay, sorry. Hindi na lang siya.
Uy, 80 na ba kayo, guys?
21 na po.
21 na? Okay, good.
We are here na at the clay oven. This is so yummy, Yummy. Oh, is that the lamb biryani? Yay, lamb biryani.
Saan sinasakay yan?
Ha?
Saan sinasakay? Sa lamb biryani.
Okay, this is lamb biryani and then this is butter chicken. Butter chicken na kuya or curry?
No, curry yan.
Curry yan. I think this is curry. This is the, how good? Bread.
Pita bread.
Pita bread. Char. Day after the wedding, we're doing Indian food. Yay! Sobrang sarap ng soup. Soup this. And then, pinakbet also ang sarap. Grabe. We're done with lunch and this concludes the wedding vlog. Congratulations again! Woohoo! Welcome to the family.
IG.
I love you.
Yeah,
IG
I already
Lisa
have
Baliw.
Instagram.
Follow at Lisa Baliw.
Yes.
Nasa baba yung yung handle, Instagram handle.
And like.
And then, ulang ka. Daddy, happy tummy. Mommy. Thank you, baby. I love you, baby. The best. And also, you spoiled